need to get some more straw for up here. We've had rain in the last week, so it's getting pretty nasty. And we have Gooey's goats. It's honey and maple, not maple syrup. So we were able to trench in these lines a couple weeks ago, and then now we have hydrant up out of it, so that's really good. And then, not finished, but getting finished. And then up here, as you can see, it's currently a work in progress. But up here we have a new moo. Her name is Patty. She's a zebu, and she is here for Mr. Bull's services. So she's pretty cute. I hadn't seen her. I didn't come up yesterday because it was dumping rain, but she's cute. I don't want to worry her by getting closer. I'll zoom in though. So we're hoping that he does a good job, gets his job done, and she can go home to have a calf next spring. She's pretty though. And then if you look at this part of our pasture, so much red clover. It's not great pasture yet, but with the moving the fence paddocks, we're hoping it will become good pasture. I love those not smoky mountains over there. I don't think there's a more beautiful place than the Ozarks. I know I'm wrong, but I'm very, very happy to be in the Ozarks. And I do feel like it's the most beautiful place in the world. Do you think so too? This is Jane, or Momma. She didn't really have a name. We called her Dog or Momma. And then when the children named the other dog Dick, they named her Jane because, you know, they go together. But actually, they have the little waterer. I bet they need water, so I'm going to have to go water them real quick. I also didn't bring the tripod, so I can't show you that I'm watering them. Mind, I started to do that, and then I saw the glimmer of the water. See that? Yeah. I don't have to go water them right now. Probably this evening, though. Oh, Patty, keep your foot out of the tank. She really has nice eyes. And a pretty decent udder. Her front teeth are smaller than her back. That's the opposite of most cows and my cows. She has nice eyes though. Sun is nice and bright. I'm really hoping that that helps dry stuff out today. Ava always wants an stanchion. That's kind of funny. Soon, Ava. And then that's our perimeter fence out there. It's not real big right here. But it goes way down over that hill. And then way over there. Can't see it. So we got a lot of pasture over here that has perimeter fence. And then they have their small paddocks here. And we'll probably move them, I'd say in 2 days, maybe 3. Everything's growing really fast right now, and this is probably an acre they have here, and that's probably an acre they have there. I don't see the other end of that one. They have a bigger paddock, so that's fun. And there's just 2 of them, and Momma is the only one on this side of the fence because the goats busted through the fence to get to everybody else. But we kind of need Momma over here because the entrance to the chicken coop is on this side of the fence, and we would like her to be able to get anything that might come up. But that hydrant is going to make a massive difference. We've always had the waters up there. You've seen in other videos. They've never really moved. And now, with that hydrant, we have this hose that goes to there. So that is a massive improvement. And I was told we have another hydrant up. I'm not sure where that one's at. But pretty exciting to get better infrastructure all the time. Well, I guess we'll leave them alone just in case. They all head over to the stanchion to see if any grain got dumped. Or they try to rob the feed bucket. So we use this gate to keep animals, the cows or anything going in there and messing up the roost. Which it's not set up right now. And like I said, we need more hay because we've gotten a ton of rain in the last week. Stay together. What? She licked your head.
What is it? Top of it. You guys can pet her right here.
Didn't see puppies yet.
Oh, guys, puppy had baby. Pet her. Where's the pet her?
Here you go. Watch where you're walking though, bud.
Well, one's right there, one's over there. Come on, get it. Okay, Alice. Give the puppies back. I don't want to step on them. Puppies? They're big. It's a cat! Yep. I knew it. Whose cat? Azariah. I mean, Simeon's. No, I mean, Bessie had a baby. Bessie
What are you gonna name it, Sam?
It was standing up.
Get up. It's a bull.
You stop. You stop.
Jump. Jump, Rhyyan, let go. We got him standing up, but Bessie wouldn't let him eat.
Because they both
He's
have
been
names.
standing
Good thing they
up.
both got names right.
Who? So Simeon.
Simeon's for
Azariah gets
and
Ava's cat now.
yeah. Azariah, she might step on your foot. Please step back. You know
Go,
she's
Bessie. You're getting close to your baby step. Hey.
Oh. Yeah.
She didn't.
She just stepped on him partway.
She's trying to
She
figure out
barely
the
put her
children.
foot on him. Is it Bess? I don't think she has a foot to
Yep.
Bessie was
Yeah.
pregnant? I told Malachi not that she has. He thinks that she Hey! No! So in the next few weeks, we'll probably have 2 calves here.
Yep.
Bessie's gonna have more milk.
What are you gonna name it, Sam?
Naomi.
I
Give
don't
him
know.
a minute.
What's the letter?
He has a list in his.
Eddie?
And it's a boy.
No, that's
He has
A.
Elroy, Ernie.
I forgot.
Those were some on his list.
Hey, Ernie
Bessie's
is
probably gonna
what
lick you
Grandpa's
to
name
death,
was.
but
He wants to.
no, not to death.
You're gonna fall
The
down in
worst
there and
thing
hit your
about
head.
calves in the summer is flies.
Mom, are you gonna?
Bessie doesn't like molasses, but I'm hoping that she will eat it. Anyway. Sometimes you'll take something that you won't normally just after a birth. You gonna pour that in?
Yeah, all.
Yeah, and then we're gonna top it off with cold water. That'll help make it warm and tasty for her belly.
Kind of like soup.
Okay, put that in the van. Get over there. Yeah, she's. Oh, get that picture of that udder.
No, don't feed that girl.
Ava's.
She's looking
Close.
very pregnant today.
She's.
And her, the home kiss is jiggly.
That's what I was telling Malachi yesterday that she looks like the next few days.
Yeah, we're gonna be checking on her a few times a day because she's.
I'm so excited, but Bessie's really, she does not care. I can go up and
This is our
Get on
first
her
time
back
calving
or
with
anything.
both cows, so it's interesting to see signs that we see. He's gonna put the calf up by mom's head.
eat the grass, the little bit that's over there.
Oh, she stops her snack. We're gonna set the calf up here so that mom will be happy to nurse milk.
We really need the puppies out of this bin, Matt.
In the past, I have calf shared and I have not calf shared. And I highly prefer to not calf share. And I have a few reasons for that. One is with my first cow that I had issues with, her milk level, that's okay, just leave him there. Her milk level dropped, and I thought it was because the calf had started drinking more. And I think that was partially the case, but it wasn't fully. The other part of it was milk fever, and I didn't know until it was more chronic because of her issues, or more severe. But if I was hand milking, I would have immediately known at that time, at that exact milking, instead of 3 or 4 milkings later. I like to be able to watch that and to see more. I also like knowing, yes, the baby got 1.5 gallons of milk today, or that's typically what I do, is 3. So I just highly prefer knowing what the calf is getting and knowing what the other is. And I understand that it's controversial, and I understand that it's sweeter to leave the mom with the baby. But one, they're animals, and 2, people take their children to a daycare at 6 weeks old. So this is taking the baby at birth is no faster than taking a human baby to daycare at 6 weeks. So it does not personally bother me. It took a little bit to have a lot of energy to get up. He was wet on the ground when we came up here about half an hour ago.
It's hard because the light is so bright. I don't know if we'll be able to see or not. There.
Another reason I can't leave him up here is I don't want him to nurse off of Ava. That would not be good before she calves. It's also a pain whenever you would like milk and the calf got in and took it all. And I understand calves need milk, but also with beef cows, you can leave your calf to nurse as much as they want because they don't produce enough milk. But with a Jersey, if you do that, you can deal with scours and a lot of other issues because they can't handle the amount of milk that their mom makes. So I also don't like dealing with
Chickens being loud?
they're also getting excited because you're walking past there a lot. So the roosters are delayed in getting out today because we're doing calf stuff and we don't like them getting out and getting to the grain. So that's why they're loud and still put up. So this is a little bull calf. Simeon gets to name him, and he's thinking of his name, and we'll let you know what that is.
Did you actually see the placenta? He's jumpy.
Like, what's going on?
Yeah,
I bet Ava investigated.
I wish. Dad was investigated it, right?
Here, don't.
I feel like going down now, but I think he's getting air bubbles. Hi. Can you get my drink out of the back seat, man?
Look at that.
His eyelashes are pretty cute, but his eyebrows are hilarious. They're thin, but really long.